Good morning, everybody. It's about, I think it's November 7th, and I'm just going to give you a very brief tour of my current van build. It's partially complete. And so here we go. And it's a little messy. And at the back there is something you can't see because it's too dark, but here's what I've got so far. And, it's working for me. Now, the previous video that you saw was a version that was in table mode. This one here is bed mode. I don't have anything on it right now, so this is what you have. And here's the back, and I placed that throw. It's very comfortable. I think I got it for like $20 at Bed and Bath. I run Spartan races, and I like to do trail running. And right now I'm training for my Spartan Ultra. And I've done a Beast, a Super, and a Sprint. And that's just some of my gear right there. And this is just another view of the back with the table up. And there's my Spartan t-shirt. Now this one here is the typical view that I keep it. And when I'm on break at work or something, I like to take a nap. And there's another view of the back there. Not really sure why I did this, but I think it looks pretty cool. Quite happy with it so far. And here's the main area where I sit down, and these are the boxes. I can move them around. They're fitted in such a way so that they kind of like fit just right everywhere else. And I'll sit on that box with some with a pillow or something. And here's the top view. I just had a run, and I was eating some strawberry and bread. Hope you like this.